We're playing the slap game, and we rolled a short U in medial position. Where's my finger? In a medial position. So, let's see what they come up with. Okay. So he's going to write the sound down, write the word down, and then he's going to sound it out. And he's making sure that he hears that short U sound in this position. Once he knows that is there in his word, then he slaps and his hand goes in his lap. Okay? So each player is playing, and they've all come up with a medial word. Okay? And they've sounded it out. You can scoot up. Okay? And they've checked their work. So this helps the visual and auditory. And we can also play with any kind of vowel pattern. This would be the next one we would play with. Or you could play with all three and roll all three. And figure out how you might do that. But anyway, that would be probably a challenge for like 2-3 syllable words. But this would be the next patterns that we would play with. And you get these dice at really good stuff, and you can write whatever you want on here. And like these are just like white erase boards.